Hopefully, we'll end this vlog with the closing. I don't know. It's not looking too bright, but I'm an optimistic guy, and yeah, we'll see. Hey, good morning, Thomas. I was heading over your way. I was dropping off Danielle and the boys at my in-laws, and then I was gonna head your way like yesterday. Yeah, I'm just not leaving the house. Okay, well, I'll see you in a little bit. All right. Okay. Bye. So we got a closing today for the Pond Lawn property. I don't think I did a walkthrough of that one, but this property, the disposition is actually on a lease option. So we are going to be helping the family take a step closer toward home ownership. The original closing was scheduled for last week, but it got pushed back. And as you see, just because it's closing day, family duties still don't stop. I was on the line with Thomas. He's helping me finish up the Euclid property, and if you remember the walkthrough, that was the one where I dropped the ball on the project management with the original contractor. But Thomas, man, he's doing a good job on cleaning up the glass and getting me back rolling. And most likely, that's a little one in the back. So as I mentioned, family duties don't stop. Most likely, that one will be sold via owner financing for us. I mean, it's sold for Section 8 rental. But I talked to the buyer today. She's all set to close. I talked to the attorney. As you know, we closed everything at an attorney's office. No kitchen counter, handshake deals here. But you guys stay tuned. I'll let you know how it goes. In the meantime, I'm going to get my wife and boys to the family's house so I can get going on what I have to do today. To my in-laws, and now just dropped off my contractor Thomas here at the Euclid property, getting that guy together, and now off to Clayton for the closing. I'm going to be closing everything out with an attorney in case the attorney just helps keep everyone from getting amnesia and not remembering what we signed on or what we agreed on. So I definitely recommend for you guys when you're closing, definitely close out with either an attorney or else some type of title company or a professional third party, as opposed to just you and the seller or you and the buyer that you may be working with. So hopefully everything goes well, and now I'll be back in touch with you after the closing. So as I mentioned, life happens. I know this vlog was supposed to be all about me closing, but we actually didn't close today. If you're watching this, that means that I stuck it through, or I might release this failure out. I don't know. I told everyone I would be transparent in my vlogs and everything, but yeah, I'll release it. You'll see the failures and the successes. But long story short, the young lady who was supposed to move into the property, it's an as-is rent-to-own property, so there was some work that's needed. She brought her pop along with her to the closing, and he hadn't seen or heard about anything. He hadn't seen a video of the property. He hadn't been over there to visit it the 2 or 3 times that she went over there with her supposedly contractor. And yeah, he just didn't want his daughter to move in there, which I totally understand. It was a waste of my time. But luckily, I do have some other people that are interested in seeing it. So, yeah, I just thought I would go in and throw it on the vlog as opposed to making it seem like everything is roses or whatnot. Yeah, and as you see, I'm back at work. I told you I had to drop the kids off, had to go to that closing, had work today, got the U-Haul truck, changed up out of those clothes. So life goes on. But we'll see about getting that property closed. And if so, stay tuned. You'll see. But I thought I'd let everyone know that today is August 23rd, 2019, and we did not close on the property with the first prospective buyer. But stay tuned. We may have someone else that may hop into our shoes and fill it and get the property closed. So I'll let you know. It is August 28th. It's actually my wife and I's anniversary. I'm just checking in. Let you know it's real life out here. I'm still in the middle of getting that rent-to-own property closed. As I told you, I think it was a few days ago on the 25th, had a young lady fall through, and we have a new lady that's supposed to be closing on the 6th of September. So I just wanted to chime into this vlog, let you guys know it's real life. It's not all roses. Things fall through all of the time. It can be a grind at times, but yeah, hopefully you see the finished product and it's with a closing. But I did just want to chime in on today, August 28th. Happy anniversary, baby. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hopefully it's at the closing. So hey guys, today is September 9th. It was the date of the second closing. If you've been sticking along throughout the entire vlog, you know how the first closing bombed. The young lady's dad came and was like, you can't move into a property that still needs some work, and that's cool. I just wish he would have came into the picture about 30 days earlier, and the 2 and 3 times she visited the property with our so-called contractor. So yeah, I'm here leaving the attorney's office, second attempt, and I didn't close today. I didn't close today. The young lady, we were texting, we were calling. We scheduled it for the attorney right after work, 4 p.m. 4:30. All right. Need a little time to get here. Highway 40 is backed up. Highway 40 is a super busy highway here in the St. Louis area. 5 o'clock rolls around. All right. I understand Highway 40 can be a beast. 5:30, 6 o'clock rolls around, and I let the attorney know that I'll have his package for him tomorrow because this is the second flake. And we scheduled time here in his office, and that part would just have to come out of the non-refundable deposit that she's already submitted. So we'll see. Most likely she'll give me a call and we will be rescheduling something with plenty of buffer room for if there's traffic or anything that's needed for her to get here after work. But this is an update. September 9th. And we let her choose the time and everything, and she still was not able to be here. So right now, the boy is 0 for 2. But I'm not counting her out because I wouldn't want to lose $500 that I put down, but you never know. Some people, it may be nothing to them. But we'll see, you guys. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll end this vlog with the closing. I don't know. It's not looking too bright, but I'm an optimistic guy, and yeah, we'll see. So today is September the 10th, I believe. It's the day after yesterday I told you that the second lady didn't show up. However, as I predicted, she called me back that evening. Issues with the phone down and everything. So as you see, I was in my work clothes. My contractor and I, we were actually going to finish up another property, but I just told him I'm going to have to ditch him for the time being and go home and try to get cleaned up in order to make it out to the closing. We're going to try to get this done over her lunch break. So stay tuned. Hopefully at the end here will be a closing. I'll check back in a little later at the attorney's office and also see if I can get a testimonial video out of her for all of my trouble with trying to dispose of this property. But it's what we do, looking to help her become a homeowner. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we'll have a closing here later on today. Alright, so I'm leaving the attorney's office in a quick recap. Did I close or did I not close? I closed. Yeah, so it finally happened, man. She came today on the lunch break. It still was hard to get her here, but she made it, and we actually closed, just leaving the attorney's office now. So yeah, this property was moved on a rent-to-own. Maybe my family or my good luck charms. Got both boys and the wife acting a fool in the lobby of the attorney's office. Maybe I have to make sure I bring them back more business to make up for today. But I just wanted to check in. Yeah, we got it moved. This property was moved on a lease option, 18-month term, helping someone on the pathway of home ownership. If you know anyone that's looking to sell, please have them reach out to me, DM me, email me, call me, or whatnot. We are always looking to buy. And here's to this one. Off to the next one. Hopefully I'll be back in a couple weeks as I wrap up my other project, which most likely will be sold on a rent-to-own as well. All right, come on, guys. Anybody moving in here on our Work for Equity program. So yeah, she's going to be doing some of the repairs in order to get this property up and going, and a step toward home ownership. So I just had to stop by really quick to set her alarm code and make sure that she's all squared away. But I just wanted to do a quick tour of the property here before I let it go. I have to live and let go at times. I have to live and let go. The acquisition was a couple months ago, and now it's being sold on a rent-to-own to someone with a contractor's background. So we'll see. We have an 18-month term where she can get herself bankable, or else we can discuss some possible owner financing. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a really brief, quick walkthrough. Got the wife and the children outside, so not going to be in here long. But yeah, this one was moved on the lease option, 18-month term. So maybe I'll check back with you guys in 18 months and we'll see how it worked out.